All right, we're on one of our precast jobs right now. This is the octagon patio we did about a month ago or so. But the interesting thing we did just yesterday is lay down this precast sidewalk. These panels are 1.5 inches thick. We have other videos on them. They're very structural with wire mesh, fiber mesh, and a 9-bag mix. They come pre-sealed, ready to use. We came here yesterday and it took about 1 hour and 15 minutes to lay all these down. We were in and out, and the customer has a sidewalk. They did all the ground preparation, and they're doing some custom inlays. They cut this one to fit there, and they have an extra one here we just delivered, and the other one, the other side house I just showed you, they're going to cut that to fit in there. That's the only detail, and they're going to do that themselves. Other than that, we just wanted to show the mobilization of what can be done with these precast slabs and how fast you could have a sidewalk within a day. Alright, so that is what we have. This is a brand new unit, and this is a nice unit here. These two neighbors teamed up and paid for that sidewalk together because it's right on the property line. We'll probably be coming back, putting a new pad for this golf cart over here. Alright, that's all we wanted to show you for now. Thanks for watching, and check back for more exciting new innovations, or should I say creations.